If welding machines were dating profiles, the Sakerplus Portable Welder would be that friend you swipe right on. Then call back 5 minutes later asking, wait, does it actually work? Let's find out. Alright folks, before we jump into metal melting madness, here's the real picture. Sakerplus as a brand isn't a straight out scam, but it's not exactly Lincoln Electric either. People do get orders from their site and the company has legit customer reviews. Some great, some let's say less enthusiastic. Reviews range from fast delivery and working machines to delayed shipping and ghosted support, so overall it sits somewhere between maybe great and buyer beware. Now the machine itself, this handheld welder is tiny, I mean tiny, at around 3 to 4 pounds. It's lighter than your average turkey. It runs on standard 110 volts household power with a 20 to 120 amp range. So yes, you can literally plug it into your garage outlet and weld. Best way to think about it, imagine you want to fix a bent gate, patch up a lawnmower frame, or tack that rust pot before your mother-in-law sees it. This little guy can do it. It's portable, simple to set up, and even beginners can get something to stick without sweating over settings. But here's the honest truth from folks who have actually used one, it's not a heavy-duty powerhouse. If you think you're going to build a skyscraper with it, nope. Some welders online say it starts getting hot after 15 minutes and the duty cycle isn't amazing for long projects. So what's my take after reading all of this? If you're a casual DIYer or hobbyist who wants a cheap portable option for basic steel jobs, yeah, it's worth a look. But if you're expecting pro-level industrial quality or heavy use durability, you'll want to save up for a more serious machine. Real talk, it's useful, inexpensive, and works. Just don't expect miracles. If your idea of welding is occasional fixes and little projects, it gets the job done. But if you want long, perfect industrial welds that would improve your welding judge on, not so much. So hype or hero, I'd say hero for hobbyists, hype for heavy metal heads. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.